Hello everybody! I am giving you a special treat because I never do 2 videos back to back, but I decided to upload this video. It is just a hair and makeup tutorial from our vacation whenever we went for our anniversary, and I wasn't gonna upload this video, but I decided why not. I filmed it, so I might as well. I am not a professional hair or makeup person at all, and I probably do everything wrong, but I wanted to do something different for my channel. So if you enjoy this kind of stuff, let me know and I can try to do some more hair and makeup tutorials, but if not, you can go ahead and be honest. I don't really care. I'm not gonna get offended at all. So jumping into the video, I am just curling my hair with my straightener. I tend to curl my hair with my straightener more than anything else because it's just easier for me. So if you just take the straightener, I run it through the hair once before I straighten it most of the time. But if you just take the straightener and I just do one curl like you see here, and it makes a pretty nice little beach wave. And then once you brush all the hair out, it kind of all forms together into beach waves. So it's the easiest way for me to curl my hair, and it takes like 5 minutes, so it's pretty simple. And after I curl my hair, I just tease it. I'll tease the top and tease the sides a little bit, and then I will spray it with some hairspray, and that's pretty much all I do with my hair. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pull back my hair, and I'm doing a very simple makeup. I'm not doing anything fancy because we were just going to dinner and coming right back. So the first thing I'm doing is putting on moisturizer. I'm using the Glam Glow Starter. This stuff smells so good. It smells like, I don't even know what to compare it to, but it smells really good, and it goes on super smooth, and it makes my face feel very soft, and I love it. So for a foundation, I am just using the matte poreless from Maybelline, and I'm using number 120, and I'm just applying this with a foundation brush by e.l.f. I think, and I'm just kind of putting that all over my face, down my neck, covering everything, making sure that everything is blended out well. Now I'm taking my concealer, and I didn't show what concealer I was using, but I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just putting this in my T-zone area, on my forehead, on my chin, and I'm going to be blending this out with a concealer brush that I got on Amazon, and I got this in like a pack of 6 brushes for, I don't know, 15 bucks, and they've lasted me almost 3 years now, so they're really good brushes. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me powder to put that right underneath my eyes. I don't powder my whole face, just my T-zone area where I get oily. And then I'm just going to use the e.l.f. contour palette to bronze my face up. I don't normally use this palette. I actually don't like this palette that much, but I didn't bring my other one from Anastasia with me, so this is the palette that I will be using. And I am just going to contour my face a little bit. And now I'm going to take the Milani blush, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks, right above my contour. And let me add that I did not realize how choppy and unblended my makeup looked on camera, because whenever I was putting it on, it didn't look that way. So forgive me, but whenever I'm done, I go back and blend all of it out, so don't worry, it'll look good in the end, I promise. Okay, and next I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow palette that I got from Maybelline as well, and I'm just going to take the neutral shade, just the light brown shade, and I'm gonna put this onto my eyelids as a base color. And then I'm going to be spritzing my brush with the Hangover spray, and I'm going to dip that into the gold color, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner of my eye all the way to like the middle of my eye. And I normally will just use a brush for this, but I'm using my fingers too. Why not? And then I'm going to take the dark brown shade and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye to give some dimension to it.
Put that makeup on.
He's a mess. Okay, anyway, I'm going to now take the light color, the shimmer white color in it, and just put it on my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm just going to take the Maybelline Eyestudio and apply it to my bottom waterline, and I'm also going to be putting it on the top waterline as well. I don't normally like to put it onto the actual eyelid because I feel like it makes my eyes look too dark. So instead I just leave it in the waterline. And I'm just going back with that gold color, and I'm going to be putting that right underneath my lower lash line, and I'm just going to use that to tie the whole eye look together. And then I'm going to take the Anastasia brow definer, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm not doing anything spectacular with my brows. I'm not drawing them or anything, but I'm just going to fill in what I've already got so that they don't look so sparse. And then after I curl my lashes, I am just going to apply some mascara. This is the mascara by LA Girl, and I don't remember the actual name of the mascara, but I will list it in the description box. And I'm just going to apply that real quick, just a light coat. I don't use false lashes because I don't like the way that they feel, and I'm not very good at putting them on. And then I'm just going to take some lipstick. This is by Revlon, and I am just going to apply that and put some lip gloss on top of it. And then I will just spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I know that it was pretty rough to watch in some areas, but like I said, I'm a rookie and I'm not a professional at all. But I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more like this, let me know. See ya!